Hello everyone, in this slide I will explain negotiation. Let's read out the definition first. Negotiation is a process used to resolve disputes of different kinds between different people or groups. It is basically a process which resolves the issue if arises between the team members. It provides consultation between the team members. The discussion can also be done. The agreement is made between the team members. Here you can see the processes for negotiation. The first is planning. Collects all the required information needed for the discussion. This is done by the negotiator. Next is discussing. The issues are discussed here. Next is proposing. Based on the discussion, proposal is created and communicated so that they are clear to all members. Next is bargaining. Here members try to work on each other's demands. Next is agreement. Agreement is prepared that both parties are willing to work together. Next is review. Review is conducted for the negotiation process. These are the two categories for negotiation. The first is competitive negotiation. Here the focus is on getting the best deal regardless of the needs and interest of the other party. This form of negotiation can easily become a battle where the winner takes all, while competitive negotiation should be avoided. It may not always be possible. Next is collaborative negotiation. It seeks to create a win-win scenario where all parties involved get benefited from the negotiation. This approach tends to produce the best results and helps build long-term relationships. It also minimizes the further opportunity for conflict at any other stage. This is all about the competitive negotiation and collaborative negotiation. Now let's discuss good negotiation skills. The first skill is an ability to set goals and limits. Next is excellent listening skill. Next is excellent verbal communication skills. Next is accommodative, not rigid, which means work is not changed. Next is knowledge of when and how to close the negotiation. Now let's discuss the common mistakes in negotiation. The first is ill preparedness of the negotiator. Now what does it mean? Negotiator cannot handle the negotiation efficiently. Okay. Next is opening and showing rigidity in negotiations with an unreasonable offer, means seamlessly changing the negotiation. Next is rushing through negotiations without paying close attention in order to secure a quick agreement. Next is failing to walk away if an agreement is not possible without breaching tolerance, means failing to walk away if rules break the agreements. And last is not showing a cool and calm attitude. This is all about negotiation.